we are going to see scale command. How to reduce the size or reduce the dimension, or how to increase or how to rescale your 3D model. So just go to insert, feature, and here is scale available. Select scale. Now scale came. There are three types: centroid, origin, coordinate system. We will see one by one. So first select centroid. This is the full body. So this is scale factor. We want 2 times bigger than this. Either you click uniform, or if you don't want in uniform, you have to put X and Y, Z axis, everything. So keep as a uniform scaling, and we want 2 times bigger than the original dimension. Select OK. See, it is 2 times bigger than our original dimension. Now again go to insert, feature, scale. Now the second one is origin. It will change the dimension from the origin point. It will select origin as a reference. Let's make 0.5, half of the original dimension. Select OK. See, it's become half of the original dimension, but initial dimension. So this is the command to use or reduce the size of your exact module. And we will see one more coordinate system. Select coordinate system. We already shown this coordinate system, inserting coordinate in any geometry. Select this point as a coordinate system. Select x-axis and select y-axis. Select OK. Now see, our coordinate system is already inserted. We inserted a coordinate. Now again go to insert, feature, scale. Now this scale already selected. Now this body we are going to expand. Let's say 2 times. And this is the coordinate system, the third one. Select OK. See, it's bigger than from original dimension, and the reference point this coordinate. So this is the command of scale. You can reduce or increase the size of your current model.